Welcome back, dear friends. Today, News You Can Eat concentrates on something called sfogliata. The Jewish cake, or sfogliata, is one of the most typical dishes of the cuisine of Finale Emilia, a town in the province of Modena. It is also known by the dialect name of tibùia and consists of a pastry made from flour, butter, lard, and cheese. It was the gastronomic specialty of the Jewish community of Finale, which jealously guarded the recipe through the centuries. Then, in 1861, it spread to the Christian population thanks to the conversion of Mandolino Rimini, who by being baptized became Giuseppe Maria Alfonso Alinovi. The Alinovi, to take revenge for the contempt shown to him by his ancient co-regionalist for his conversion, made public the recipe for the cake and began to sell it after replacing the butter or goose fat with lard, which is a derivative of pork, therefore an ingredient forbidden by the Jews. The savory pie transformed from stringy cheese into a fragrant stuffed focaccia was immediately a great success. And even today, especially in the winter, it is sold and tasted along the streets of Finale Emilia as a street food type. Tradition asserts that the sfogliata is eaten on the 2nd of November, the Day of the Dead, accompanied by a glass of anicione, a typical local anise-based liqueur. For some years now, Finale Emilia has celebrated the Festa della Sfogliata on the 8th of December. And that is the news you can eat for today about sfogliata and its Jewish history. Subscribe to the Flavors and Knowledge channel on YouTube and follow us for more interesting videocasts on food, health, and practical information. We connect on the next round. Stay well and eat safe. Ciao.